Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download 1xBet app on your Android phone. Right, so it's really easy. First of all, you have to just go and open any of the browser here. Now this is Google. Now here you have to type 1xBet download. Right, now here as you can see here, this is official website, right? In your case, if you're from different country, you might see your separate country login or basically separate country link, right? And here as you can see here, this is for iOS and and for the Android too. So just click any of the link here and you will be redirected here. Now you have to just wait for a few seconds till it will load, and automatically you will get an option to select which version you want to download. So as you can see here, download the app for Android. Now click on download, and here you have download section in your browser, and as you can see here, it's downloaded. Now tap on it. I have already installed, that's why it's showing me an option to update my 1x, but in your case it will ask you to download your app. And once you download here, right, let me search for the app here. Now you can just open it up and you can do whatever you want to do it. You can use it, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.